Hello everyone, it's Linette here, and Nikki's going to be behind the scenes today doing the editing, but we wanted to welcome you to Garden 1842 and Home, and today I want to direct sow some seeds. Come join us. I'm out here on my front porch and I'm thumbing through my seed book, and what I want to try to do today is to direct sow some seeds into my landscape beds directly instead of starting them inside, because I didn't do that this year. And I know that I want zinnias for sure, and that's so easy. And I want to see if there's anything else in here that I can direct seed. And I'm going to do it in one section because I know I'm going to have to keep it watered, and I want to see how well this works. So come join me while I show you how I'm going to direct sow some beautiful seeds and have some beautiful blooms. Oh my gosh, I got so many. Bachelor's buttons, Clarkia. Oh, cosmos. We're doing cosmos for sure. Look how pretty these are, you guys. Definitely want to do these pumpkins this fall. These zinnias, I got to see how tall they get. This one is going to get 1 foot. So I'm going to put this down by the smaller flowers. I don't know, should I throw some, oh man, this could get crazy, you guys. Oh, great memory when we went to the White House garden. I have some of my own seeds here. I don't know, some of these might be too late. Hollyhock. And then I think I also have some zinnias that I might try. So this is what I came up with. Starting from the left are the tallest, and then going toward the right are going to be the shortest. And so my tallest are going to be the California Giants, the Cosmos, and the Hollyhocks, and the Sunflower. Then the next level will be Giant Cactus Mix, Straw Flowers. Then we'll do a Lilliput Zinnia and a Teddy Bear Sunflower. They get about, I think they said 24 to 36 inches. This is the area that I'm wanting to work in. And this is where I did my coneflower the other day, where I separated it. And that coneflower gets like 4 to 5 feet tall. So around this area, I want some very tall flowers. This bed I want to be like completely full this year. We'll see. We'll see if this is going to work. I'm definitely going to plant some annual salvias and some other annuals in here as well. But I want it to be like a really pretty, tall, like spiky type flowers that are coming straight up, like cottage style theme. And then as we go down here past the limelight, this is where I'll start doing my next level, here. Then as we go down, I'll do the next level, and then down here in the corner, I will do, like the snapdragons and the sweet William, maybe the asters down there. But while I'm out here, I wanted to show you how beautiful my yard, my little tulips are looking. I've been out here working pretty hard in these beds, just cleaning them up, but these are the tulips I planted when I got them on sale, and they're just looking so pretty, you guys. They are just making me the happiest ever. Now, I don't think they look really pink to me. They look like a kind of a reddish coral, which I'm okay with. I had to cut back my knockout rose really big this year because it had a lot of dead on it. And my magic spirea, it's magic carpet spirea, and gosh, isn't that beautiful, that color? Then this is a climbing hydrangea here. Got salvias, and this is what my macrophylla hydrangeas do. And I'm so upset because the buds will come out early in the spring, and then we'll get a cold frost, and then the buds will die. The tulips are just looking so pretty. So this is my thought process. I think I'm just going to use my auger and just loosen the soil up a little. Nothing crazy, just kind of go around, and I just want to kind of loosen it up. And to me, this is kind of the quickest and easiest way to do it. And then I'll take some kind of rake over it and get it even a little bit more looser. You know, just prepare your garden a little bit. I just use whatever tool I have available. Okay. Okay, so I'm real happy with what I got here. And what I started to do was just to lay some soil, here. Just some garden soil to give it a little, better of a start. Have any of you guys ever direct sown seeds directly into the ground? If so, let me know how you've done. I've done it a couple years now, but I've never done it in my landscaping. I've always done it in my raised beds. And then if I wanted to, I transplanted. I kind of used it as my own little green, my own little nursery. I would pluck out flowers and bring them where I wanted. But this year I thought, well, since we're working on the raised bed area, we got a new project for that. I thought, let me just try it this way and see what happens. You never know, right? I'm going to do just a few of my hollyhocks from last year and see. I'm going to just do them sort of in that back corner over there. Next is going to be the Cosmos Early Sensation. And my thought process on this is if they're too thick, I can just pull them, or I could transfer them somewhere else. I did a tour one time where a gentleman did Cosmos and he direct seeded them into his landscaping. You guys, it was gorgeous. It's one of the small town tours that we did last year. And man, was it so pretty. I mean, he had tons of them. He thought he had too many, and I thought, no, I don't think you could ever have enough, right? Okay, let's throw a few little sunflowers in this area, see what happens. These are going to get quite tall, so I think I'm going to keep them sort of in that back corner. Just kind of throw them up in the air, see where they fall, see what they want to do. Okay, I think I want to put a few of these zinnias in, and I'll do these more on the edge part of it because these only get like 2 feet tall. So these are Lilliput zinnias, and they only get 1 foot tall. So I'm going to do these right around the border. Now what I think I want to do is I think I just want to go step on these, like sort of push them down into the ground. I'm not one on covering these up too much. I will throw a little bit of dirt over them, but I normally don't even put dirt over my seeds. I just sort of let them, whatever takes. Okay, so we just did that section. Now I'm just going to come down here. This is coming past my limelight, but in front of my climbing rose, my rambling rose, I should say. So I prepared my dirt and I found some more seeds. I'm going to do a columbine, a poppy, just a few of the sunflowers. I'm going to do more of the zinnias, the Lilliput, and then we'll do the teddy bear sunflower and the straw flowers. Now I'm going to do poppy and straw flower together. Ooh, these poppy seeds are so tiny. Ooh, so are the straw flowers. Ooh, this is going to be... Okay, how am I going to do this? Actually, I'm going to do them one at a time since they're so little. You guys see how tiny those are? Okay. So I'm going to go really low since it's kind of windy. I mean, not real windy, but I just want to make sure these sort of fall. Okay, so I want to get some medium tall zinnias in this area. That's what your zinnia seeds look like. Okay, so I did this area. Now I'm going to come down and go quite a bit shorter here. I have salvias on the border. That's primrose right there. A rose, another campfire rose, another rose. And then the tree you see there that's not looking real good is a crepe myrtle. But I think my crepe myrtle in the back is not budding up yet either, so they're later. They won't bloom until after the 4th of July. And then I have a David Austin rose on the end there. It's like a yellowy peachy color. So I want shorter items coming through here. Last section, I'm going to do some sunflowers and columbine along the fence line. And these stay right around the 2 feet mark. Okay, the sunflowers are pretty decent in size. I'm just going to sporadically put these. And for the last little bit, we're going to do the very short zinnias toward the end here. They get 1 foot tall. Well, thanks guys for spending the day with me today. It's been a beautiful day. It's chilly. It didn't even get to 60 yet today, but I got this little direct sewing job done and I'm so excited. I'm trying to do like 1 or 2 jobs like every other day. And sorry for the noise, they're working on a roof next door. But I'm very excited for all these different flowers to come up. We'll see what we get, who knows. But go find a flower seed and go find your passion today. Subscribe.